Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube again with another video. Today I'm going to explain you all about signals and systems in the ECE third semester in JNTU syllabus. So let's have a look at it. It's also important for GATE examinations. So please learn and score well in your GATE examination and semester end examinations. So let's have a look at the index now. This is signals and systems. This is basic signals and systems, continuous time Fourier series, Fourier transforms, Laplace transform, Z transform, DTFT, discrete time Fourier transform, sampling, and also miscellaneous problems. Miscellaneous means different types of problems, which are some more complex. So let's have a look at it. Basic signals and systems. Introduction. If if a signal is continuous without any middle distortion or uh, without any erasing of the signals, it is known as continuous time signal. So let's see here. This is amplitude. This is amplitude. This is time signal T. Here it is represented as T. Here it is represented as amplitude. Amplitude is represented as units in the units. So if the time signal is continuous like this, it's continuous time signal. If it is discrete, discrete means what? This like this. This is a discrete time signal. There are some empty gaps in the signal, so it is called as discrete time signal. And next, we are going to understand the significance and also the formulas for the continuous time signal. Let's have a look at it in the textbook. When independent variable is it continuous in time? When independent variable is it continuous in time? So here is in, it not it, it's in, is in continuous in time. Discrete time signal. Discrete time signal is what obtained by CTS by uniform sampling given a t equal to nts. Continuous time signal is represented or short form is CTS. So obtained from continuous time signal by uniform sampling. I will explain you about sampling in the next part, the next chapters. Till then, understand this and go through examples. T equal to NTS. NTS is what? TS is here. TS is what? N is a number. So time is how much times the TS is given as T equal to NTS. So f of NTS equal to f of x of NTS. So a less than or equal to NTS less than or equal to b. So x of n equal to f of NTS, where a by ts less than or equal to n less than or equal to b by ts. Continuous time signal. So here continuous time signal is represented by x of t, v into v and t. So operations are both the operations are there. Operations are broadly classified as an independent variable. Operations are broadly classified as independent variable, an independent variable, dependent variable. So this is a classification of operations of time signal. So continuous time signal is classified as an independent variable and dependent variable. So let's have a look at it. On dependent variable. So in the dependent variable, dependent is what? It is dependent on some variable. It is dependent on some constant or variable. It is called as dependent variable. So let's understand this. Amplitude. So here x of t. X of t means it's depend x of t as a function x of t equal to y, which is amplitude. Amplitude is a function of t. T is time period. So plot ax of t versus t very vertical axis. Every vertical axis parameter is multiplied by a. So here amplitude into x of t versus t. Uh, every vertical axis parameter is multiplied by a. So here amplitude is in d in dependent variable. So here x of t is plotted on y-axis here. X of t is plotted on y-axis here. Y equal to x of t. This is the time time function. So next, amplitude reversal. Amplitude reversal means what? The if the function is having negative sign, if the positive sign is there, it is reversed into negative sign. So take mirror image with respect to horizontal axis. So here is the explanation. So if here is a time signal in the positive q1, this is the positive negative q2. Here x of t, here it's x of t equal to y, here it is x of t equal to minus y. So it's the mirror image here like this, horizontally, not vertically. It's horizontal reversal. So here in the y-axis it's a amplitude. So here amplitude reversal means what? The amplitude is having negative sign. So it's the mirror image of the x of t equal to y in the x of t equal to minus y in the q4 here. This is q1, this is q2, this is q3, this is q4. You all know this in the intermediate studies. You have all studied this from the intermediate studies. Next we're gonna understand next modulus. Modulus, mod of x of t versus t. So here mod of x of t can be both minus and plus also. So here written graph above horizontal axis. Take a mirror image of the graph below horizontal axis. Addition or subtraction of DC value. So here addition of subtraction of DC value. DC value is what here? Amplitude. Amplitude is denoted by A. So here modulus means x of t can be negative or positive versus t. So it will be coming as like this. Graph is coming as like this. If this is y-axis equal to x of t axis, and this is x-axis. So if the signal is like this, let's assume it's clock signal. This is from the DLA. So again this will be like this. The modulus is there for the x of t, which is amplitude. So this is about the modulus signal. Modulus signal. Addition or subtraction of DC value. So here addition or subtraction of amplitude. Shift up means what? Shift up. Here is a shift up. This is shift up side. This is shift downside. Operation on independent variable, that x of t is given. Every operation on t only t naught of greater than 0. So this I will go in the next video. So till then, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, hit the bell icon and activate the notification bar. Thanks for watching friends. Bye.